Curious. I mean...
Actually, Lois, he's,
Clark? My ex-boyfriend? He's here? Clark! What are you doing here?
Family guy surprises girl.
So, how was the show?
It was good. It ran longer than I expected, which is why I'm moving. Listen, I want to just say thank you for supporting me in my dream. I know that you're working really hard to keep us going.
Hey, when you make it big, I'll just be counting on you to make it up to me.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah. So, how's Clark doing?
Clark's mom is sick, and her treatment is expensive. I think he needs our help.